You can build a real product without writing one line of code. Seriously, the gap between "I have an idea" and "here's the link to buy it" used to be 6 months minimum. Now people are shipping actual products in under 24 hours using a handful of AI tools most people haven't even heard of yet. Start with Lovable or Bolt. These tools let you describe your app in plain English, like, "I want a habit tracker with streaks and a paid tier," and they spit out working, deployable code. No developer needed. No Fiverr. No waiting. Then there's Cursor for anyone who wants to go deeper. It's an AI-powered code editor that feels like having a senior developer sitting next to you, answering every question instantly. People are building SaaS tools in a weekend that would have taken a team months. But here's where it gets wild. Stripe can be wired up in minutes through these tools, so you're not just building something. You're building something that takes actual money from actual people. One guy on X shipped a paid waitlist tool in 4 hours and made his first sale before he went to sleep. Don't sleep on Midjourney and Canva AI for your branding either. You don't need a designer. You describe your vibe, generate a logo, drop it into a landing page template, and suddenly it looks like a real company. Perception is half the game. For landing pages specifically, tools like Framer AI or Card let you go from blank screen to live URL in maybe 20 minutes. You describe your product, it builds the page, you tweak the copy, you hit publish. That's it. Here's a number that stopped me cold. There are solo founders right now making over $10,000 a month with products built entirely through AI tools. 0 employees, 0 venture capital. The barrier isn't skill anymore. It's speed. The research phase used to kill ideas before they started. Now you've got Perplexity for market research, ChatGPT for writing your entire onboarding flow, and Claude for thinking through your pricing strategy. All free or nearly free. Your excuses are running out. But what about marketing? That's where people get stuck. Tools like Opus Clip take one long video and turn it into 30 short clips automatically. You make one piece of content, and the AI multiplies it across every platform. Distribution is no longer the bottleneck. And this is the part nobody talks about. You can test an idea before you build it at all. Use AI to write the landing page, run a $5 ad, see if anyone clicks buy. If they do, then you build. You're validating with the market, not with your gut. The whole game has flipped. It used to be build first, hope people care. Now it's get signal first, then build exactly what people already want to pay for. That's not a small shift. That's a complete reversal of how products get made. 3 things to take away. AI tools like Lovable and Cursor make building real products possible for non-coders. Validation before building saves you months of wasted effort, and the bottleneck now is not skill or money, it's whether you actually start. What's one idea you've been sitting on for months that you haven't built yet? Drop it in the comments, and let's figure out which tools would actually make it real.